SKC Pranam. This is the ninth and the final principle of card number 1. Card number 1 says this: 9 ways to make people like you. Or the ninth principle says this: make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Now, before I have Daniel Jacob explain to you this ninth principle and the final principle of card number 1, I have another speaker for you who will tell you with example कि वदमेकम, मैंने आपको बोला था वदमेकम लिखने के लिए, I told you to pen down in the diary whenever you live by a rule. So here we have my son, pride of SKC, national award winner, Shalton Pinto, giving you how he lived by the principles of SKC. Here he goes.
Last week, when I attended my science lectures, I found out that the teachers were not able to conduct that very well. The students were continuously unmuting themselves and screaming. There was a lot of havoc in the class. The teachers were not able to handle the Zoom settings. I felt very bad. So in the evening, when I was with Papa in the car, I thought of telling him that the Zoom teachers are very bad. Please change the teachers. They are not able to handle our students. But then, at the same time, I remembered the golden SKC HR principles of don't criticize, condemn and complain. So I told Papa, you conduct lectures so beautifully. Why don't you take a training workshop of the teachers and teach them how to conduct Zoom? In this way, I followed the golden SKC principle of don't criticize, condemn and complain by giving an honest feedback and not criticizing. Thank you. Few days ago, when Mummy and Papa came home, we went inside the kitchen to eat dinner. Mummy had made the delicious spicy dal fry with some rice. As soon as I ate it, I remembered the SKC golden HR principle of give honest and sincere appreciation. So instead of just relishing the dish myself, I went and kissed Mummy's hand and said, Mummy, the food is really delicious. Mummy was really happy and this gave her the motivation to cook more good food. Friends, by this way, I lived by the golden principle, give honest and sincere appreciation.
Well, that was Shalton telling you how he lived by the principle. ऐसे ही आपको भी report करना है, ये example था. And now we have my beloved, the joy and laughter of my life, Loretta Pinto, Loretta Madam, the joint director of SKC, to tell you how she lived by the SKC principles. Here she goes.
It was just last month when I found our intern Jwala very frustrated and arguing with each and every staff member in the institution. The normal, fun and cheerful Jwala was becoming so irritated. So I thought there is surely some problem with him. At that time, this golden SKC principle came to my mind: be a good listener, encourage others to talk about themselves. So I called Jwala in my cabin and I asked him, what's wrong with you, Jwala? And Jwala was in tears and he told me, Madam, I want to do each and every work assigned by sir and you, but presently I am unable to do so because I am getting less of sleep and because of that I am becoming frustrated. So I told Jwala, why are you not sharing your job with Krishna sir? If you come alternate days for the online shooting in the morning, then you can get enough sleep alternate days and the work will also be done properly. And Jwala was so happy. He said, Madam, is it okay if I do so? I said, definitely. And Jwala then followed that and was again back to the normal, cheerful, joyful Jwala. In this way, I lived by the rule, be a good listener, encourage others to talk about themselves. I would like to share one more incident. It was just last week I visited Manga Mart for my daily routine purchase, but I entered late in the night. And by the time I finished my shopping, I realized I was the last person to shop. By the time I reached the counter, all were looking at me in angry faces when this lady is going to finish her shopping. So I started giving my material, but then I realized that I have not carried the bags as I entered it in a hurried way. At that time, this golden SKC principle came to my mind. Remember that a man's name to him is the sweetest and most important sound in any language. So what I did is I asked the person standing over there, "Aapka naam kya hai?" He said, "Santosh." I said, "Santosh, प्लीज़ आप मेरे लिए जाके, मेरी गाड़ी बाहर ही है, मेरे हस्बैंड है, आप प्लीज़ जाके मेरे बैग्स लेके आओगे, मैं घाय में भूल गई लाने के लिए. And to my surprise, Santosh gave me a smile, went to the vehicle, brought my bags. Also, after the billing was over, he came with the trolley outside till my vehicle and he dropped my bags in my vehicle. In this way, I lived by the rule. Remember that a man's name to him is the sweetest and the most important sound in any language. Thank you.
जैसे शाल्टन ने एग्जाम्पल दिया है और लोरेटा मैडम ने एग्जाम्पल दिया है, ऐसे ही आपको वीक आफ्टर वीक आपको और सेशन आफ्टर सेशन यू हैव टू गिव योर रिपोर्टिंग. आपके मोबाइल के नोटपैड में या आपके डायरी में बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स होंगे. जब भी यू लिव बाय द प्रिंसिपल यू राइट इट, यू लिव बाय प्रिंसिपल राइट इट, एंड अमंग देम चूज वन और टू which you feel that you can report nicely. And here you have to practice reporting वजह में कम. In 30 seconds आपको report करना है how you lived by the SKC principles. Now we have Daniel Jacob explaining to you the 9th principle of card number 1. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Here he goes.
Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Well, we are all human beings. Fundamentally, everyone is a human being. We might be different functionally. In status, we might be different. But in essence, we are human beings. But the problem with people is that they equate human dignity with a functional status. They call a person driver, gardener, chokidar, waiter. But remember, even that person who might be functionally low to you, but has got a dignity, has got a human value. You need to recognize that human aspect of the person and make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Give the respect for the human that is in him, not equating that human quality to a functional status. And then when you do that, you are certainly making the person feel important, because everybody has got an invisible sign hanging on their neck which says, please make me feel important. So let's recognize that basic emotional need of people, basic social need of people, and let's make them feel important. So now you got these 9 ways to make people like you. If you can follow these 9 simple principles and if you can live by them, you are becoming a people's person. People love to be in your company. And when more and more people love to be in your company, you are living a life which is befitting human life. So very, very important. Develop traits and qualities where people can like you.
That was Daniel Jacob, the greatest motivational trainer and one of the finest trainers in India, explaining to you the 9th principle of card number 1. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Believe me, आपका सब स्टाफ हो, वॉचमैन हो, प्यून हो, चाहे कितना भी छोटा आदमी हो, always make the other person feel important. पहले एक रूल था, when you don't call him by shh, you call him by the name. अब ये बोलते हैं make him feel important. Now जब भी मेरे यहाँ कोई गेस्ट आता है या पेरेंट मेरे स्कूल में आता है, I always make them feel important. People at the other end tell me, you are the managing trustee. Why do you, we have some visitors talk, you are the managing trustee. Why do you stoop so low and make that person feel important? I say, I live by SKC principles. तो मैं SKC नहीं हूँ इसलिए नहीं पता. मेरे साइड जो मैनेजमेंट में सब पता है कि what SKC principles mean. That is why I am so very popular among my parents and students and friends. Now, कोई भी आप देखो एक गाड़ी है, गाड़ी. You cannot say steering is important, your wheel is important. एक भी नट जाएगा ना, एक नट भी निकलेगा ना, वो गाड़ी चलेगा नहीं. You get these murals, you get these paintings with different pieces stuck up. एक भी पार्ट निकल गया उसका, the painting becomes dirty or not worth a look. Every part in the painting is important. वैसे ही एक गाड़ी के अंदर या मशीन के अंदर every screw is important, however small. वैसे ही in human relationship, every person in the ecosystem is important. चाहे वो सब स्टाफ हो, सफाई कर्मचारी हो या एक बड़ा एडवोकेट या डॉक्टर हो, everybody plays his own role. सो इस प्रिंसिपल बोलता है मेक द अदर पर्सन फील इट. कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि मैंने बिल दे दिया, पैसा दे रहा हूँ, अब why should I make him feel important? Believe me, I go to DMart or I go to Big Bazaar, that guy at the counter who is there taking my goods, of course I'm going to pay to DMart, but that guy, I am the nth person in the day. कितने लोग मैंने पहले शॉपिंग किया, all he does is takes one after other scans. I make him feel important. I say बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हो दोस्त, really fast काम कर रहे हो, and I do it very very sincerely. Now this I do at every place, and believe me, they all remember me. When I come next, there I'm in the line, he's looking out for me, he works his hand faster so that I come, and when I'm there he gives me a broad smile, and he remembers that I have made him feel important and I've done it sincerely, quite sincerely. जब भी आप ऐसे करोगे, आपके दोस्त ज्यादा बनेंगे, आप इन्फ्लुएंसर बनेंगे, and people will like you. This was the 9th principle of card number 1. अभी हम जब कार्ड नंबर 2 में आएंगे, उसके पहले I want Vademekam reporting to take place in every session. तो Shalton and Loretta madam has given examples today how to report. इसी तरह से आप रिपोर्टिंग करोगे, उसके बाद I will be giving you one by one rule of card number 2. So these were the 9 principles in the 9 videos which said 9 ways to make people like you. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you are going to live by them and they're going to be highly beneficial to you. This is my assurance. SKC Panam.